Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Outdoors picnics and camps often call for food cooked either in barbecues or in open grills like so. Today, I'm going to do just that. I'm making cauliflower tandoori. What is important for the cauliflower tandoori is getting the marination right. So let's first begin with that. I'm taking some curd. Well, you could also take some hung curd, but of course, out in the open, you may not have the privilege of hung curd. To take that on your stride and to make it easier, we're going to add in some besan or gram flour. Let's spice it up. The first thing is some Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder. Take a combination of chili that gives you nice color and flavor at the same time. Let's add in some Turmeric Powder. Let's add in some Garam Masala Powder. Along with this, you can either take Amchur or Chaat Masala. I'm choosing Chaat Masala. To this, I'm also adding in some paste of ginger and garlic. And finally, predominant flavor of this tandoori, and that is the kachi ghani mustard oil. Two more quick ingredients. The first one is, of course, salt. And finally to this, some juice of lemon. Well, this is one such recipe that actually does not require cutting and chopping. By all means, you can also use lemon juice straight from a bottle. Let's mix this well. With this, our marination for cauliflower tandoori is done and ready. The next step, of course, is marinating the cauliflower. I'm doing it a little differently. What I've done here is, I'm taking baby cauliflowers and I'm keeping them whole. All you need to do is wash them nicely, rinse them well, and then soak these in salted water and use it in its entirety because it's picnic time. So let's do something different. Now finally, let's skewer these. And for this, I'm using a thin green bamboo. Now is the real test, and that is barbecuing this. Our cauliflower tandoori is of course done and ready, and this has taken somewhere around 12 minutes to get baked. Let's transfer this and serve this immediately. And this goes fantastic with some onions and lemons, of course. Well, I've been lucky enough and privileged to camp out in this village called Chindaran, as you all know. You may not have that kind of privilege in your home kitchen, but nevertheless, that should not stop you from trying this recipe at home. You can bake this in the oven or make it in an open pan. Choice is like absolutely yours. On that note, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Rajshri.